crosses the mid lane. Attacks! Gulas! Grabe siya. No good! Rebound na naman sa Kuragi. Backside! Pass it to Nolasco. Uy! Salarza. Bilis! Bakit for two? Nagsabili Bilis! Bakit for two? Sabili! Teng dito, i-dribble, di-discarte. Teng, stop, pulo. Jetri! Bam! 3 points! Pass to Cervantes. Rush! Bilis! Off the glass! Bakit for two? For the inbound. Greta Berner, bam! Downlink kicks out. Jay! Nolasco for two! Dito tayo ngayon sa do or die finals ng Makata Cup, Bulacan Intertown para sa laban ng Santa Maria at Marilao. It's a jump ball. Plastina versus Intal. First ball possession for team Santa Maria. First. All up. Wala. Rebound for the Gen team. And pass break now. Lace. In and out. Okay. Ibababa ang bola. Dribbling the ball. Stop pass onto the middle. Rebound. Oh, wala pa rin. Gemotra. Pass to Medina. Medina ito versus Teng. Attacks. Pass to the gilid. Plastina spins. Fires off the window. No good. Utatangin up. Gemotra on the inbound. Looking for the receiver. Naagaw ni Teng. Teng. Minute lace. First block. Ingay kagad ng crowd. Gemotra pass to the corner, pull up joke the glass. Salarza kay Teng. Teng ilalabas. Pass to Francisco. Pass to Salarza. Umatake Liz. Bakit for two? The ball. Teng dito, di-dribble, di-discarte. Teng, stop, pull up Jetri. Bam! 3 points. Medina versus Teng. Medina attacks. Spins. Tatapikan. For the inbound. Out. It's number 8. Pass to Gemotra. Gemotra drives. Side step plays. Basket and one. Francisco for the inbound. Bounce pass to Teng. Teng. Pass inside, floater shot, pasok yan, para kay Gemotra, sumisinyas, process the mid lane. Gemotra, pass to the middle, Nolasco, kicks out, Mulano, Gemotra, drives. Oh, basket and one. Teng. Dumerecho, good pinch place, no good, rebound, and a pass break here, Gemotra 1-on-1, nag-type sila, Gemotra for the inbound, libre, ang gandang pasa, ang gandang Medina, 2, Labastida, paset sa gitna, libre, wala, napulot ngayon ng Team Marilao, floater shot, basket and one, Nola. Nagmamadali sa dito Salarza dumistansya, bounce pass back Salarza here, fakes, drives for the inbound, launches straight to Berner, bam! Tapping Teng, pass to Legin drives, kicks out, Taberner open for 3, short, For the inbound here. Pass it to Taberner. Taberner. Di-discarte. Bounce pass to the middle. Teng. 10 seconds shot clock. Drive. Kicks on the corner. Open for 3. Off target. Nakbulot. Bumangga. Fires. No good. Sabili for the rebound. Sabili nagmamadali. Lace. Bakit for 2. Sabili. Here you go. Team Santa Maria. Degamo. Pass to Sabili. Sabili. Pass it. Degamo. No good. Rebound Sabili off the glass. No good. Rebound. Put back. Wala pa rin. Rebound ngayon. Pass break. Step back. Fires. Bakit for 2. Here's Sakuragi. Usayan. Pass to Cervantes. Drives. Lays. Off the glass. Bakit for 2. There we go. Gatis. For Team Santa Maria. Bumanggaon. Pass inside. Libre. Oh! Inakboard pa. And here's Sakuragi. Sakuragi. Nakahanap ng butas. Lays. Sakuragi. Bakit for 2. Drives, kicks on the corner, 5 for 3. No good, rebound here. Resurrection, pass on the corner, kicks out. Drives, reverse layup, Sakuragi again. Nagmamadali, no look pass. Game, Degamo, Sakuragi. Fire, Sakuragi. And here's Rupinta. Attacks, nakalusot, Lays. 1.3 seconds left on the first quarter. Bakit yan? 1 point. Demeterio, long pass. Oh, eksakto. Gemotra pass. Sure. De Vera. Stop. Pass na pinasahan si Resurrection. Pinasa kay Salarza. Behind the back dribble. Fade away. No good. Rebound by De Vera. Pass break ngayon. Degamo sa corner. Emeterio launches 3. Bam! Resurrection pass on the just sa 3. Steng. Bam! Gemotra nagmamadali. Binounce. Pass of the glass. No Lasto. Francisco. Teng takes. Francisco. Oop. Butata. Pass break ngayon. All alone. Medina. Easy bucket. There you go. Team Santa Maria. 10 second shot clock. Pinilit. Kicks on the corner. Pull up J. Too strong. Rebound. Natapikan. Diretso. Tatlo sila sa baba. Gemotra. Tinap for easy bucket. Pasto sa Larsa. Sasalagsak dito. Oh, natapikan na naman. Here's Team Marilao. Oh, labastida. Pinasoy. Naagawan. Here's Teng. Pass break ngayon. 1-on-1. Dinerecho. Days up. Bucket for 2. And Team Marilao up by 9. Gemotra. Medina picks. Spins. Natapikan. Naagawan. Nagmamadali. Lace. Basket and 1. For the inbound. The bounce pass. Gemotra. Crosses the mid lane. Attacks. Oh, nadulas. Grabe siya. Gemotra. Pass to Nolasco. Bounce pass inside. Ang gandang deliver. Ang gandang bitis. Basket and 1. Poor shot. Pasok yan. Labastida. Oh, bumalik. Wala. Rebound. Rupinta drives. Pinabitin off the glass. Rupinta bucket for 2. Billy. Pass to Labastida. Attacks. Floater. No good. Rebound pass break. 1-on-1. Sabile versus Salarza. Rupinta kumaldag fakes. Fires. Bucket for 2. Oh, 5 seconds violation. Oh, 5 na sila. That's the end of the second quarter. Rupinta dribbling the ball, pass to the middle. Salarza holds the ball. The chest pass to in the middle. Launches 3-10. Short of target. Battle for rebound here. Rebound para sa Team Marilao. Gemotra ibababa ang bola. Dribbling the ball. And Gemotra kakaldag dito. Spins. Gemotra to Medina. Corner. Pinasa sa loob. For the inbound here. Pasoy. Natapikan. Derecho. Side step. Pinasa pa. Extra pass off the glass. Bakit? Gemotra. Stops. Dribbling the ball. Oh, bangga. Bagsak si Idol. Gemotra bounce pass. Pinalik. Kicks out. Pull up J. No last for 2. The inbound Demeterio. Pass to Gemotra. Gemotra here. Stops. Pass to the middle. Plastida. Pass to Mulano. Naagawan. Nagmamadali 2 versus 1. Bounce pass. Pass to Palpal. For the backdoor inbound here. Open for 2. Launch. No good. Rebound dito para kay Teng. Teng passes to Salarza. Pass inside. Ang gandang pasa. And the finish. Gemotra to Labastida. Labastida nakalusot sa gitna. Lace. Pasok yan. Mid resurrection. Pass to the corner. Dribbling the ball. Sasalaksak sa gitna. Pinabitin Lace. Bucket for 2. Out rebound by Sabile. Pass to Sakuragi. Side step. Nagdad na naman. Legin. Setting the play. Legin. They discarte sa gitna. Stop. Sa 3. Sabile. Pass to Medina. Medina between the legs. Drive. Pass to the Heket. Libre. Gemot. Degamo. Teng. Drives. Spins. Fires. Short. Reverse layup off the glass. No good. Sabile. Crossover. Pass to Nolasco. Medina versus Taverna. Pass to the middle. Fires. Degamo. Leg Romero. Leg isa 3. No good. Rebound. Fires 3. Still no good. Sabile. Nolasco. Pass to De Vera. Pass back Nolasco. Fakes. Love. Oh! Tamo! Kumakaldag dito Jacinto. Pasa sa gitna. Pumatake. Painilit. Uy. Degamo. Side step. Oh! Francisco. Big stop. Ball grab 3. Short. Rebound. Degamo. Degamo. Pass to the corner. De Vera. Drive. Floater shot. De Vera. Pass to the corner. Hicks. Drive. Cross pass. Pinasahan ng kalaban. De Vera. De Vera stop. Pull jump niya. 3. Bam! Cristo. Sa 3. Pass to the corner. Open for 3. Off target. Rebound by Degamo. Emeterio. Bam! Triple. Salarza. Spins. Plastina. Pass to Gemotra. 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 Pass inside. Spins. Lace. Bucket for 2. Gemotra. Pass on the corner. Pass break. Salarza. Lace. Nabitawan. Labastida. Oh! Oh! Gemotra. Gemotra attacks. Naagawan. Bounce pass. Bumangga Lace. Oh! Live nila lahat yung mga fans. Gemotra. Gemotra drives. Kicks on the corner. Launches 3. Off target. Rebound here. Nag-dive si Plastina. Nawala yung bola. Teng. Oh. Oh. Drive. Lace. Wala. Pass break. Oh! My foul. Wide open for 3. Off target. Rebound. One more 3. Bang! 3-4. Please, easy basket. Sa 3. Sa 3. 3 points. Congratulations, Team Marilao.